Hello everyone, my name is Mazhar Islam Shubho. I have been working in the industry for a few years as a digital compositor. In this video, I am going to share with you my new tools for Foundry Nuke, and I am going to give you a brief overview how these tools work. As a compositor, we need to create lots of backdrop nodes and in our every script for our organizational purpose. Creating a backdrop node, then manually edit the title, changing the color font, it takes a lot of time. We know that time is money, and this backdrop helper will help you save some time so that you can spend this time on your creative improvement in your shot. So I am giving the demo. Say for example, this is my plate. So if we press Shift B, then our backdrop helper panel will be open, and just click this plate, then it will automatically create a backdrop node, and also it will change the color is a specific color, and also it will add a label called plate. And here is we have bunch of preset. Say for example, this is my denoise plate, so you can use my denoise. And also this section in my script, there is my king section, so I can easily create a king backdrop for this section. And also you know that this is my dispel section, so if we hit B and then just creating a dispel, it will automatically create dispel. And say for example, I did some transformation in here, so if I hit select this node and pressing Shift B, and we have a preset called transformation, it will create a transformation backdrop. And this is, say for example, just this is a dummy script. This is not a production script. This is just a dummy script. So say for example, this is my additive gear. So if you select this node and press Shift B, and you can see there is no additive gear. So if you need something manually, you can input manually the name here, like additive gear, and if you hit enter, it will create a backdrop called additive gear. And this, say for example, this is my post process lens effect. I can use this lens effect, and this is my final render, so I am going to using the final output here. So there is lots of preset that you can use it. And for download this Python script, you can easily download it from our Nukepedia. You can download it from Nukepedia very easily. I will attach this link on this video's description. So this is the backdrop helper Nukepedia link, and after getting that, you have to download this. And for installing purpose, you can easily follow this step. You have to open your menu.py script, and then you have to import this backdrop helper. Then you have to assign this function on your menu bar, like nuke.menu, then new, then add menu. You can name this whatever you want, but I assign this as a backdrop helper, and then add command like this. You can just copy and paste them, also it will work. So thank you so much. If you feel any problem for installation purpose, feel free to comment me below. I will give you the answer.